1. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C, manganese, and bromelain, an enzyme that aids in digestion and reduces inflammation. 2. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and can help relieve nausea, stomach pain, and menstrual cramps. 3. Onions are rich in antioxidants and contain compounds that may reduce the risk of certain cancers and heart disease. Together, these ingredients make for a delicious and nutritious meal that can benefit your overall health. Here's a recipe for a delicious pineapple ginger onion stir-fry. Ingredients: 1 small pineapple, peeled, cored and cut into chunks. 1 medium-sized onion, thinly sliced. 2 to 3 garlic cloves, minced. 1 tablespoon fresh ginger, grated. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon cornstarch. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. In a small bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, cornstarch and 1/4 cup of water. 1. Set aside. 2. In a large pan or wok, heat the vegetable oil over medium-high heat. 3. Add the sliced onions and stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes until they start to soften. 4. Add the minced garlic and grated ginger to the pan and stir-fry for another minute until fragrant. 5. Add the pineapple chunks to the pan and stir-fry for 3 to 4 minutes until they start to brown. 6. Pour the soy sauce mixture into the pan and stir everything together until the sauce thickens and coats the pineapple and onions. 7. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 8. Serve hot with rice or noodles. Additionally, the combination of sweet and tangy pineapple with the savory onions and the spicy ginger creates a unique flavor profile that is both satisfying and refreshing. Furthermore, this dish is low in calories and fat, making it a great option for anyone who wants to maintain a healthy weight. It is also vegan and gluten-free, making it suitable for a variety of dietary needs. Like and subscribe the channel for your healthy journey. Thank you.